We're happy. I'm happy to give a good fight on December 8th.
How do you prepare for the Mexican Marquez?
I have to prepare hard and train hard for this fight and make sure that I'm 100% condition on the night of the fight.
Are you gonna convince everybody you're the number one?
Yes, we'll show in December 8th.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Vámonos, papá.
And now in Mexico without the Mexican people cheering. How do you felt outside there?
I'm so happy because they really love boxing and they're supporting their warriors, Juan Manuel Marquez.
And
Same thing. If you go to in the Philippines, of course, my countrymen they're supporting with me, so it's the same.
And this is a special fight for me because the loss of Timothy Bradley is a special fight.
I choose to fight Marquez than Bradley because I have nothing to prove to Bradley, and the fight it's one-sided fight, and with Marquez fight it's very close. Our last three fights, so I decided to fight Marquez. So I believe in because I believe that the people they really want to see this fight with Marquez.
Where are you going to train for this fight?
I'm going to train in LA, the whole training camp, like what I did before. So,
Manny, what are the challenges for this fight? The challenge.
the challenge for this fight is I have to give a good fight to make impress to impressive victory for this coming December 8th.
What's gonna be different of the other ones? What's gonna be the difference with the other ones, with the other fights?
The difference is this is fourth time we fought and this is a deciding factor of all the issues that it's in the mind of the fans.
In this fight, what title is on?
Huh?
In this fight, what title is on?
No title.
No title. It's 12 rounds.
If you win, it's possible to see the mega fight in May or April of 2003 with Floyd Mayweather. It's possible to fight.
It's there's a big possible for that fight happen by next year.
What's the relation with you and 50 Cent? Is a good relation?
We're talking about business, but it's not about Floyd Mayweather or about fight.